big flavor doesn't always need a long list of steps. Sometimes it's all about the right blend. This al pastor seasoning mix brings together smoky, warm, and slightly sweet notes in a way that instantly makes your food more exciting. Full recipe is in the description below. Let's build this blend, starting with 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of regular paprika, giving us that bold base and vibrant color. Now add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin to bring in depth and a gentle smokiness. Next, layer in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder for that classic savory backbone. Then go in with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper to balance everything out. Add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to bring a subtle sweetness that ties it all together. For a bit of heat, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, completely optional, and finish with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, just enough to give that warm, signature twist. Give it a thorough mix until everything is evenly combined and the blend looks consistent throughout. If this kind of simple flavor building is your thing, hit like and share this with someone who enjoys cooking at home. And if you haven't already, subscribe to SpiceRally and tap the bell icon so you're always up to date with new recipes. And your al pastor seasoning mix is ready, packed with flavor. This makes about 5 tablespoons. Perfect to keep on hand. For use, you can add about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of seasoning per 500 grams of meat, either as a dry rub or mixed into a marinade. Any leftover seasoning, or if you are making a bigger batch, can be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months. So I hope you will give this a try and see how it transforms your meals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes where it's all about flavors made simple.